basics of affiliate marketing for beginners. Being a beginner is not an awful thing because there's always a point when one has to learn it. Everyone has their first times during every task. However, as a beginner in affiliate marketing, you need to educate yourself about this field first and see how it works. Once you've observed it completely, you can step out, become an affiliate yourself, and earn a good sum of money. So, are you all ready to learn everything that might be beneficial for you in the future? There's no lack of ways to make money online. That being said, some areas are versatile and satisfying as the marketing of affiliates. If done properly, it can be profitable to make a living by creating innovative and useful content. Affiliate marketing is something that each website owner must understand in today's digital era. Although, if you're not using it individually in your revenue generation plans, there could be a time when you want to. This affiliate marketing guide will take you a few steps closer to knowing one of the most common ways of online business website monetization used today. In this video, we're planning to present you with the fundamentals of affiliate marketing and explain how it works in reality. We're also going to show you how else you can benefit from using those and offer you some support in getting started. Let's get started. Think of making an ebook but not getting a big enough system to help you sell it. In this scenario, an affiliate marketing plan will help you with your marketing skills and produce more sales. Luckily, affiliate marketing is not extremely difficult to understand. You can sign up as an affiliate, start connecting, and hop on the road for earning money from the affiliate commissions, all within a few hours. The key is to learn how to do something all right so that you can maximize your profits. How to make money with affiliate marketing. It is often said that one can even make money through affiliate marketing while sleeping. It often turns out to be true for some lucky people. We've also heard that good luck comes to those who strive for it. So if you'll be passionate enough about affiliate marketing, you'll end up following the right path and earn a lot of money. It's time to know how to create money from affiliate marketing. As a beginner, you should start earning a few dollars a month with your affiliate marketing before learning the ropes. When you discover what goods and services your audience is most interested in, you will change your plan to make more money. When you put an affiliate link on your website, and when someone clicks it and performs the necessary action, usually a purchase, you're going to make money from that action. Your earnings may be a percentage of the sale, a flat fee to produce a lead, or a big incentive to sign up for a subscription. How much money can you make with affiliate marketing? The truth about this field is that every person learns differently. Some of them are quite lucky and intelligent, as they understand all the minute details and can earn about more than $1,000 per month. Many people still do not make enough money and are still dealing with that too. It's important to remember that even if you make $100 per day for a full week, month, or more, you shouldn't expect always to earn that much per day. The products making your money could be trending now, but that popularity can dip without notice. While it is possible to earn a full-time income when you're a well-established affiliate marketer, it is not practical to anticipate a full-time income as a beginner. So you need to stay patient and persistent to keep growing. That's all for today, folks. If you want to see more amazing content from our channel, press the subscribe button and the bell icon so that you get notified first whenever we post a video or an update. Till then, take care.